Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2012 BMW 330d M Sport we have new in stock. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features on this particular vehicle. To begin with, you've got the black sapphire metallic paintwork as an optional feature. Also the 19-inch 403 style M alloy wheels. Some of the high gloss black exterior trim are optional features as well. You can see some of these being displayed around the car. You've got the optional Xenon headlights at the front, the optional headlight washer system as well. You've got the optional electronically folding exterior mirrors, the optional privacy glass, and also the optional grey windscreen sunshade. Some of your standard inclusions consist of the chrome exhaust pipe finishers and the more aggressive M Sport body styling. You've got a full leather interior with the extended individual Merino leather as an optional inclusion. Also the professional media pack, advanced parking pack and heated front seats, all as optional features. You've got the M Sport leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel as part of your M Sport inclusions with access to cruise control. Your infotainment controls on the centre console area, your drive selector and dynamic driving modes, as well as cup holders with additional storage room. You've got your climate control functions further up with your heated seats again, and then your centre screen with access to some of your in-car features such as the reversing camera, which is part of your advanced parking package, and also your DAB radio, which is a standard inclusion. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, receive a virtual walk-around video or even a virtual test drive video, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end of this video or inquire for our website.